We had a terrific situation last season. We had a client of ours, they had a really nice home out by Angus Glen. They, after going through it, they made a good investment. We put in about $40,000 worth of work, and that property sold for $400,000 more than the next sale behind.
Wow.
So it does pay dividends, but you need to know what you're doing. You need to get good advice. And the timing is important. If you've got a home with a pool, you want to be bringing it out when that feature of the asset is going to be best represented. Don't try to sell a home with a pool in the middle of winter when people can't really appreciate the value that's there. You want to make sure you're hitting the market between May and July with lots of blue sky and lots of greenery, so people can really feel the value of it. The condominium market's usually less seasonally affected. Right now, it's really more of a commodity game. If there's a surplus of product and a shortage of buyers, the only difference is price. So you either need to have something that makes your features stand out, whether it's you're putting in some upgrades and some additional features to it, or you need to be better priced to make sure that you got a better opportunity on the table for a buyer to work on your property as opposed to somebody else's.
Okay.